Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use Google Bard as an Italian translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. To start, simply insert your Italian text into the chat. Unlock the process by initiating the transformation with the phrase "translate this in English" and then pressing the Enter key. Observe the swift and accurate English translation produced by Google Bard, revealing the hidden essence concealed within the Italian words. However, the linguistic journey doesn't conclude there. If your curiosity drives you to discover the Italian version of an English phrase, the process maintains its consistent elegance. Just as before, say, "Translate this to Italian," before entering your desired English text. Witness how Google Bard adeptly responds, seamlessly providing the accurate Italian translation. While Google Bard's capabilities are undeniably remarkable, it's wise to recognize that accuracy may vary, especially in intricate contexts or when handling sensitive terms. When confronted with matters of great significance, seeking a second opinion is a prudent choice. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.